LinkedIn is often ignored by many students. I don't know why, but they see that, okay, we are not getting a job. Why should we post on LinkedIn? Why should we interact with other posts? Dear students, or some other people who are watching this video, this is not the case, because LinkedIn will act as a portfolio for you guys. Even let's say if doesn't give you anything, still it is very effective because it's free. You can use it, and you don't know how much useful it might be. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end, because we are going to see how you can create your effective LinkedIn profile. Here we are on my LinkedIn profile. Okay, if you want to see, you can just click on the link in the description. So my profile is well maintained. I will say it's not the best, but still it's well maintained. You can see I have a clear profile picture, a banner, which represents that I'm doing some community stuff, and also I'm trying to contribute in terms of podcast YouTube community, being a student. So it might be something about students, or else I'm a learning person, okay, a person who constantly learns new things. So that's what I wanted to reflect. My profile picture is very clean. It is not recommended that you should click a photo in a suit or something like that. It should be clear, your face is visible. That is recommended. Write the title as a good thing, I will say, because don't just write I'm a robotics engineer. So what I should do? No, that should not happen. Write what you are trying to do. So I have just written down your growth is self. It is trying to get some attention from the audience. Also, I've written down robotics engineer. Okay, he is a robotics engineer contributing to AI, ROS2, content creator as well, and bridging the gap between textbooks and reality. So I just found this particular line very useful. I just thought, okay, what should I write? So I just tried to hit my mind, and I just written down this particular line. I found it very useful. Okay, so while creating your LinkedIn profile, or else let's say if you have it, just add your profile photo, the banner as well, because it is very important. Take some time, guys, because don't just give it up. Okay, I should keep this profile. No, just search, okay, what is a good photo that you have, right? Okay, just add that photo, then the banner as well. If you scroll down, write your about section as well, not very big, but about what you are doing, okay, in simple language. So I have just written down, I am a lifelong learner who's passionate about building, whether it's robot skills, content, or mindset. So my domain is not only about robotics, it's about many things, okay, like skill development for students, other people as well, about content creation and videos that I make. So it is about my field. Then I also talk about engineering career, robotics, AI, freelancing, my graduation stuff, what I do, all these things are given. Make a featured section where it will be visible what you have done, very good stuff what you have done. So recently I participated in Roscon, so I've just added those things as well here. If you want to watch, you can watch the video as well, it is already made. So this is how it goes. Then about your activity, means activity not only in terms of your posts, it will be about which post you have interacted with. So those will also be visible here. Yeah, this is about the activity section. What you have to do, okay, about your experience. If you have done any internship, any job, so you can just write it down here, whatever you have done. Doesn't matter full-time, part-time, freelancing stuff, you just have to mention here. So if you just see all of my experiences, it is written down here, right? Not very fancy, you just have to write down what you have done. Some photos of that as well. Let's say you are doing a job, or else let's say I'm contributing to YouTube, so I just given my link. My previous experiences has the certificates as well, so just write the experiences and also give the relevant links for that. Then your education, licenses and certificates, you can add it. Okay, for the licenses and certificates, make sure that you are adding the links as well, okay, to the certificates. You can just add the certificates in the Google Drive and give the link here. About your projects, so this is about my current projects which I have done in robotry and some other projects as well. some of your volunteering stuff. So you have to make these sections. Experience section might be already given, volunteering section, your skill section, you have to make it. Okay, about patents as well I have added, but how to add it? See, here you will get option add section. Just click on that and you can add your sections whatever you want and just expand that. Means don't fake it, just write the things what you have done, that is very important. So this is the thing how you make it. And I will make some other video where I have how I did the follower thing, like more followers. So currently I'm at 15,000, but you can also make it. You can try to post on LinkedIn, and this is how you can make your good number. But first of all, try to make a good profile which is clean, and also people are able to understand what you are trying to do. So this was for today's particular video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together. Bye.